Alrighty, problem number 5. I apologize for the confusion in numbering. From here on out, those first 4 problems are 1 through 4, and anything afterwards will be 5 and on in sequential order. So this problem is truly number 5, but on your sheet it will mirror that. And for this problem and all the problems, including this diagram, we know a couple things. We know that line PQS and line PRT, they meet outside the circle at point P, and most importantly, they are secants, okay? And they're going to form an angle out here. So when I have secants, or a secant and tangent, or 2 tangents that meet outside the circle and form an angle outside the circle, I always have access to this relationship, okay? So before I go to the formula, let's fill in what they tell us. They're going to tell us that arc, the measure of arc, ST. Well, since there's only 2 letters, I know that's a minor arc, and I got to go along the circle, the curved part, and that will be arc, ST, and they tell me that is 160 degrees. And then they also say the measure of arc QR, okay? So from Q to R, since it's only 2 letters, I know it's a minor arc. That is 90 degrees. And they're saying, find the measure of angle P. So they want to know this. So I'm going to call that X. So I've got everything. I've got my outside angle, I've got my big arc, and my little arc. And notice, they're the arcs that are being intercepted by that angle. It's not like they gave me these arcs out here, alright? Fortunately, they didn't do that. They gave us everything we need. So we're just going to substitute into this true relationship. That outside angle, which happens to be X, it comes from taking this big arc, 160, and subtracting this little arc, 90. And we want the average, so it's the average of the difference. So solving, we get X equals, I'm sorry, that was a minus 90. Okay. 160 take away 90. I believe that would be 70, right? 70 over 2. And 70 divided by 2 will be 35. So angle P, the measure of angle P, the measure of angle P equals 35. If they ask you to find that measure, then that's what your answer should be stated as. The measure of angle P equals whatever you found, 35 in this case.